Hope you're all having a great day. Awesome. Good afternoon, my friends, and we're live. Power Hour and Crypto Crunch. No reason to watch the charts go red all day, but let's see what's going on. That's a waste of time. Big plays on the swings. Day traders getting fucked. S&P. Choppy, but it hasn't really moved. Dollar, on the other hand, dollar's going for it. This is where it opened for the week. While that's happening, stuff is cooling off or chasing. Stop hunting. Definitely seeing that on crypto. Yeah, so we'll just have a more condensed show today. See what kind of moves did happen. Metamaterials crushing it. And onwards and upwards. So it's not all doom and gloom. For all the red in the markets, there's actually a lot of green on certain things. Of course, it's hard to get to this point. Tested patience and emotions down there when it was selling off. These are the bigger plays, bigger swings I'm talking about. Meanwhile, S&P flat. So they're crushing it all on their own. It's also going against the dollar, because dollar's green. Dollar's up on the day. So they're having no problems at all. Once they actually start popping off like that. We saw a bunch of those therapeutics going for it last week. Here's ProQR Therapeutics. Continuation even further. No problems at all fighting the dollar. It's a lot of build up, but once it started popping off. So that's a very good look for undervalued plays all around. Not all of them are doing that yet, but there's a lot of build up similarly to back here. Bullish consolidation, accumulation. So there's only a couple of double digits there because of all the cool down. S&P might not drop below, but it's probably not fucking around this area until we actually do see dollar dip come through. We're already about to hit the resistance on it. Shouldn't take that long. This point this week. Maybe just tomorrow. Just tomorrow's up there, and then we're already getting a huge dollar dip again. Stuff is bouncing right after that. Major difference from dollar going back up here. That would be like a whole month. Couple of days, and then continue downwards versus a whole month of it going up. Yeah, short week with the holidays. Crypto might be getting some good moves though. We'll have to check about the dollar too. I imagine dollar's also gonna be closed during that time. But crypto never sleeps. There could even be massive flash crashes over that time on stuff like Solana. But we'll get to that more after the bell. Talking about Tesla being really low. I hope we got a chance to watch the weekend update video. Very interesting. All of a sudden, stuff started breaking down lower. These ones are not bouncing. Tesla could have bounced there, and it fucking didn't. It's behaving like Solana, and it's getting annihilated. Holy shit. That's the thing about the bear charts right now. They're not even trying to bounce. This is why we didn't want to go long on those fucking things. Because it only could have bounced, and it was looking like it was going to, because dollar dip. Here it hasn't at all, and it's just broken down lower. So Tesla's pretty much fucked, because there's not even a chance for the holders to get out at those levels anymore, and it's just gonna be a mad dash to the bottom. Last one left holding the bag. So those ones are devastated right now. And like honestly, if we were Tesla bulls, if we were holders there, I'd be like, this is the last chance to get out before it fucking slams. We got your big fatality discerning hyphen stuck with the soda line. Shane. Thank you, Sabi. Thomas. Oh, yeah, Savage is German. I mean, we're keeping our cool. This is a good thing for us. Catching a Tesla hot baby. All the times, right? Way the hell down. But the panic, the FUD, stuff like that is valid. Those ones are doomed. very interesting there. We were hoping to get a chance to get a perfect entry for puts to ride it down. It's already gone. But as that's playing out, there would be other bear charts breaking down with it. Lots of SP ones. So interesting that S&P is holding up. Tesla is not. Very mixed. There's mixed things going on. But yeah, so that looks just completely awful for the bear charts. For holders and stuff like that, and it's pretty much getting towards the conclusion of the market crash there. And if that's going on, there's gonna be other stuff like AMC, GME getting annihilated with them. Yeah, the GameStop charts are exactly like Tesla. So, without Tesla's behaving, it appears GameStop's not gonna hold that line at all. Start dropping lower and then trigger mass panic selling. Watch one left holding the bag, but that could be us. We're gonna be the last ones to trade GameStop down at 50 cents. At $1 on a penny stock. It's a reverse split. Alright, move on. Complete opposite of metamaterials, bullish charts. It's pretty wild. They really are diverging. They're overvalued versus the undervalued. The balance is being restored. These ones were too low, now they're going up. Those ones were too high, now they're going down. Look how metamaterials is clearing this level. Really going for it. The legit opposite of Tesla right there. Breaking below those levels. They're legit doing the opposite. So maybe all the Tesla holders are selling that shit and FOMOing into more bullish things, more undervalued plays with growth potential. And that's a lot of money. That's hundreds of billions of dollars gonna flow out of Tesla into other stuff like crypto. If Bitcoin held relatively stable, say just around 15k, while Tesla crashed, that's like the whole amount of money in crypto. That could be like fucking all the altcoins. That could be like $500 billion sell off on Tesla. That's how much money is in the altcoins. if all that went into crypto, altcoins would just double right away. Oh shit, the Litecoin versus Tesla chart. I've never tried this compared to Tesla. Ooh. Litecoin leaving Tesla in the dust. It's probably all-time low. Oh, what? There's some real banger charts right now, and a lot of them are comparing Litecoin versus other things. It's pretty wild how much they're moving comparatively. Litecoin Solana, it just continues up every day, every hour. Holy fuck, look at those candles. That's insane. Oh, this is a banging chart. It's not exactly doing that in terms of the USD. However, it's still tradable. This is tradable for Litecoin holders who may want to get some Solana exposure when the time is right. If you're holding Litecoin here while it's mooning, at some point it'll be too far up, and then Solana will be increasing more than Litecoin, and it would be good to trade Litecoin for Solana. So it is a real trade. I can't even wait till crypto crunch. Let's see what else on this sucks. I mean, Disney stopped at a watch list, kind of proving the point that if they already crashed, then they're pretty stable, if not bullish around. Disney shouldn't go lower than this 2020 bottom crash. It's all the way down, the full way down. Tesla is like here. No, Tesla's like there. The very top breaking down right now. And then Tesla's about to do that. Disney did that fucking months and months ago, just undervalued for what it is. Not only is it stable, it's trying to turn around or bounce there. In the bigger picture. Those are the real kind of moves to be focusing on, not Disney, but point is, if even that's ready to double, there's gonna be lots of other things turning around that are bottomed out. There's complete opposites right now. Other charts are that. It's pretty much every day we're seeing more and more of those. But why is it still kind of red there? Well, because it's this dollar retest up here. Because of that cool off. There's a stop punch going on right now, retracing and everything. curious about some other ones that are ready to break out coupang. So right under $20 if you pays under. And it's ready for more, but it hasn't cleared that breakout line yet. So like, okay, we're cooling off, building up. No sign of weakness. Which I see as a negative, because we're not going to be able to get those entries down there. So this is getting further along in the whole recovery process from the market crash last year on it. Like what I was just saying about Disney, and of course Alibaba. It had a huge bounce for what that is. It takes a lot of money to move that chart. $200 billion company, Alibaba. So a 50% bounce, that's $100 billion right there. And now we're building up more. I was just cooling off a bit. But it's probably not gonna go all the way back down again. It's gonna hold up those levels like coupang and then keep going. So those are real turnarounds in progress on some pretty mainstream companies, large companies. On Virgin Galactic with the 5 stop hunt. Like exactly 5.00. It's funny because we know it's possible and it's right above 5 there, and it's still just holding the line, so it didn't do anything. Besides shake out some stop hunts at that number. Yeah, a lot of breakout charts, really strong ones, are looking like that. So they got breakout retest, this orange line. They're just chilling right now, ready to continue as soon as we get dollar dip. Casser Maritime, similar as that. Carnival Cruise under 10. It was already over 10. Filled out the whole bear trap. Ready to continue higher up when we get dollar dip. Just kind of chilling or not cooling off or building up for more. So that's why I don't need to watch that all day long. We'll just check it again tomorrow. Hey, I'll be live again tomorrow. Power Hour Crypto Crunch. Maybe it'll be over $10 then. Maybe Virgin Galactic will be bouncing off 5. Then some of these developments will be happening day by day, but not necessarily minute by minute. Etsy, there's another one like that. Completely crashed last year. Filled out the whole bear trap. It looks strong as fuck. Building up for more. These ones don't look like they're gonna come back down. This is the end of your rally. And stuff like this. You're gonna see again, double again. From 100 to 200. Because the crash on it is apparently over. Well, it went down enough months and months ago. And I think after that it can get ugly again. Can't run out big and then still get smashed after on stuff like this. But for now it's pretty decent look to stuff that's turning up. There are a lot of charts that are just turning up and ready to go further and hit some targets. And we'll take it from there. If it crashes after that, it crashes after that. But it's all kind of pointing at more upside for the bullish charts. Of course, we have our inverse charts that should go down further as well over time there. Bit of a cool off, and that's on those other charts. We're gonna keep running it up. So you better believe still on for end of year rally. S&P can get way further up by then. We might only be halfway up on it. Oh, it's so coconut bounce. That's quite a bit more upside on other bullish charts there. Especially if they're ready to break out like that sundial from the $3 level. As it gets through 3, it's just building up right now. It's turning up once it gets through 3. That could be any day this week. Going into the end of the year, and sundial should double. From here, maybe even triple. And then we're already hitting some nice targets on it. If it crashes after that, whatever, sundial holders already be taking some profits. Oh, that's the bell. 3, 2, 1. But now that stocks are closed, crypto can get back to business. And the materials closing with that breakout means it's actually confirmed. It's actually trying to go up to 5. Another double on it. It wasn't just a fake out breakout and selling off instantly. So long as it holds up tomorrow. Stuff like that really couldn't look any better. I think most of them are about to do that we're keeping up with. Like Sundial I just mentioned, about to break out from 3, would be similar to this action down here. Once Sundial goes through 3, it should crush it. Be able to double or triple like other materials has been doing. So those are pretty exciting actually. And every day there's kind of more breaking out like that. Some of them are random, some of them not very popular. ProQR Therapeutics kind of random. The more of them the better. It's just showing us the general strength of those undervalued plays. It's like anything undervalued that got hammered months ago can turn into this kind of price action. There's a lot of those, and a lot of drop opportunities as well. What a time to be pillaging. Stuff like Wish had just dropped like that. 50% hammered down. If even Disney's trying to double, I think Wish can do it too. Fucking Disney wants to go on a rally there. So honestly, it's way better than what you might be hearing or seeing out there on the media. We're getting some real conclusions on this stuff. The Etsy crash seems complete. Purple. Fucking purple crash from last year seems complete. Can't fake that. Maybe on one of those companies, on one of those charts, not all of them combined. There's many charts that got annihilated back there last year. They're turning up and starting to pop off. And I'll have to look at that. That gives us stuff to look forward to, that hill again. Still really crush some targets here on undervalued plays going forward, even if the dollar's out of control, even if there's lots of market FUD. So as usual, we got some more of those breakouts this week, like meta materials. A lot of our favorites are either down here, where they're already bouncing from the lows, looking strong as fuck, or they're up here, already breaking out, trying to go for it. Like TAL. stuff like that. It's worthwhile to check every day. Are we gonna have a $5 stop hunt today or tomorrow? It's right there. Like Virgin Galactic. We knew it was just cooling off, building up. It is a $5 breakout trying to crush it. So the dollar's pretty close to all that resistance, and maybe then tomorrow it'll be fully up here, starting to turn around, and we'll already be heading further up by then. I don't think this cool down is gonna last too long, but at most like this week, the short week, those would make sense. So right after that, dollar should start dipping more. It's not complete with the downside, so it is not the pivot yet. You can see it right on SQQQ. If that was the pivot, this would go all the way up from here. That doesn't look great. We're just in this part right now. The cool off to slow down, so day by day, step by step, let's check out some crypto. I've been keeping an eye on it. Bitcoin's having shakeouts, and that's all it is at the time being. That's all we can call it for now. Let's go to our total market cap. There's nothing unexpected about it or weird about it. It can be further shakeout till it hits that purple line. That's not quite there yet. We're right in the middle of these two purple lines. And we're comfortable here in between them. Long-term support. Until it's actually pressing on that line. It would be kind of random to bounce from right there. So I'm expecting an exact hit on that. That does mean Bitcoin could do the 15,000 stop limit. If the crypto total hits that line, then Bitcoin might actually hit 15,000 line right there. But it's all of the altcoins included in that, so there are certain altcoins that are getting annihilated, like Tesla right now. It doesn't necessarily mean Bitcoin would go down and hit that line. Bitcoin can be steady, but Dogecoin is crashing, and that drags down the total market to that line. It shouldn't really affect anyone's trade either way. If that area was run off, somebody's trade is warning sign. In terms of risk, there's some kind of risk there of getting stopped out on a leverage trade or margin or whatnot, and then it's bad. That's what that 15,000 number is about. It would be a kind of a liquidation event at that number. Which could lead to our flash crash down to 10K, but it's not there yet. There's no sign of that yet. I would have to break 15,000 with that stop hunt. Stay under there. Continue a bit lower. And that's the confirmation. If it were to turn into that, then it's going down. See, even these levels 16K. Just try it like that. Okay, so that's definitely a bit of an inflection point. So maybe that chart's not enough to say what the fuck's gonna happen next right there. That's where the dollar comes in. All Bitcoin has to do is hold stable around that area, around 15,000. It can stop on all at once, so it wouldn't really matter. And then when we get the dollar dip, Bitcoin can rally from there. So right here, put a stop on 15K, fuck around that whole area, wouldn't really matter as long as it holds this area when we get dollar dip and it's ended. There's wiggle room there. Here's what the flash crash would look like right there. Right around the corner, but there's no sign of that just yet. We want to be ready for it, aware of it, prepared for it. And then it wouldn't last long, it would be very quick. That would be the end of it. Continue up straight from there. Could play out that way, but with the dollar situation and everything else, makes more sense to run it up still. Turns around, runs up further before potential crash. So that would really screw the new traders, wouldn't it? How about it? Well, the casual crypto traders out there who are thinking it's gonna crash to 10K right now. And then it actually works its way up into your rally. You can keep going for a while. And they're like, oh, I guess it's not crashing, and then it crashes after they FOMO in. Hopefully we're able to hit some targets, take some profits up here before that. So that's really what it is. I could develop into that because the FUD is very extreme. But we don't see that yet on the chart. There are lots of bullish signals still. At least for the time being. I'm feeling brave on it. I don't care what other people are saying about the crypto crash FUD. There are a lot of nice opportunities. Fucking Dash down at 35. So the total crypto market cap between those purple lines I was showing, right in the middle, right, and I was talking about, I expect it to exactly hit the lower one. Dash is on that lower one. Yes, sir. Some of them are so low that they're kind of going to squeeze with the dollar dip. ICP, we were looking at under 5. Is that the low again? Like all-time low levels again. 350 is so low. Any upside on Bitcoin, this thing's gonna be going into squeeze action. So what a time to be accumulating stuff like that when the bounce potential is through the roof. $50 last year prices. Anything under 5, that's already 10x to 50. So these ones might actually pull kind of a metamaterials style rally, so to speak. Or better yet, Kappa. This is what we're looking for on those fucking things. ICP is so low right now. Any upside on Bitcoin, any dollar dip, it should really be popping off. Going to these huge rally type moves. Love to look at those ones. Dash. Litecoin. Breakout retest success still in place. There's no weakness there. If only the Bitcoin chart itself looked like this, then we'd be seeing a lot more green across the board. It really is impressive here. Because I'm talking breakout from that resistance that's been in place for over a year. Pretty much 2 years. 2-year resistance line on Litecoin Smash. Just January 2021. 2022. It's almost 2023. Huh. So that's pretty fire, and I don't want to get anyone too excited about it at first. But it is getting more exciting. The longer it maintains, the longer it continues to look strong as fuck. So I'm genuinely impressed because it's getting bought up. It has been hitting higher levels. Got that consolidation, essentially going parabolic on the bottoms there. Through the resistance. It looks like we're going to $100 Litecoin no matter what Bitcoin does. That's what's wild about it. It looks like it doesn't even fucking matter. Bitcoin crashed and it would just build up more. It would just chop around there more and then go. So that may have really been the very bottom on Litecoin back there. June. That's why the Litecoin versus other charts pairings are moving. And it's not just the bearish altcoins. So Solana's getting hammered, Litecoin's strong and steady. That's why this chart's moving so much, Litecoin versus Solana. Kind of going from both ways there. People are bullish on Ethereum. It hasn't really crashed. And it is holding up there. So Ethereum's kind of one of the more bullish altcoins in a way. The Litecoin versus Ethereum chart's moving too. Very impressive. So how about Litecoin versus every fucking altcoin that exists? And that's this chart. Just average all those other altcoins together, the altcoin market cap. How's Litecoin doing compared to the altcoin market cap? It's cooking ass. That's pretty significant. There are other bullish altcoins or good opportunity, good pillages that aren't gonna look nearly as nice. Chainlink. It's just choppy. It's not really breaking out or popping off though. Chainlink's just going alongside the other altcoins basically right there. Trending together with them. Litecoin's breaking out, popping off big time. Versus all of the other altcoins, that's pretty crazy. And if you can find another one that's replicating that, I'd love to see it. I'd love to hear about it. I can't think of one at the moment that's gonna look quite like that. Matic in the past, maybe, but not right now. Maybe Matic back here. I don't think any of the altcoins are gonna look like that besides Litecoin right now. Maybe Balancer. If anything, maybe Balancer. But it's been so choppy there. So this chart's pretty damn choppy too. It's not a breakout like that. It's not the same as if it was through there. So that's pretty much as close as it gets, and then meanwhile Litecoin's Litecoin's way up there, popping off. And with that dollar action and the build up this week and everything, maybe those are just cooling off for a bit there. Then come back down a bit and then go again. But it is a major fucking breakout, and it does look like it's gonna go the full way. Cause that's 2 years building. That's all of 2021 and 2022. So if only all the altcoins look that good. A lot of them are having bigger shakeouts right now and everything, and there's not necessarily a limit on all of them. But those major price levels, like on Dash, long-term support trend line. Really, those ones have just been accumulation for a while there. So there's not even necessarily anything new going on there at the moment. It is the breakdown ones that are getting more interesting than anything. Because they're not at levels where we would fuck with them yet, Solana. The way it's looking, the rate it's going, it might have the full dunk there. Just within a relatively short period of time, it's all the way down. So that might be the nail in the coffin for it. If there's no bounce here, which there's not as of yet, and now it still could, it still kind of should, but it might be too bearish, and it just keeps fucking selling off. Because it's just such a giant bubble, and that's the situation Tesla is in right now. Exactly what Tesla is going through. The full bubble pop conclusion. Solana could bounce there double before it goes lower or something. There's no sign of that. It's breaking out further. It's so ugly. It might just keep showing off the full way there. Then we can catch it for a drop opportunity. It's a big deal. So here's Tesla again. It looks just like Solana. With no bounce, and it's like it could bounce, it should bounce, the dollar did, but it's so ugly, it's so bearish. It's probably gonna crash the full way. And if there's any bounces, it'll be short-lived. Just quick chop and then right back down. So those ones are brutal right now. Getting completely annihilated. So it's like no wonder why when we have stuff like that, there's a lot of Bitcoin FUD going along with it, right? If Solana is looking that ugly, there's a lot of Bitcoin FUD itself. We get the flash crash, then we're here right now. That's all it would be, just one and done. I'll be here when it happens. When and if it happens. Can't wait to find out. But I can, because there's no urgency for the bigger picture there. In terms of Bitcoin itself, it's just steady, kind of like the S&P. Until it actually gets to those levels, there's nothing to do with it there. Besides accumulating some fire altcoins. We'll be waiting for those slam dunks, Dogecoin. Now everyone sees how it can go the full way down. It was always inevitable for Doge to go all the way back down the bubble pop. Those Tesla style breakdowns and those Solana breakdowns, Dogecoin can be in that situation tomorrow. And all of a sudden it's down under a penny and it's ready for some pillaging. Until then, we'll just keep our cool and not fuck with those things. Focus on the ones that are already way down. Ethereum major drop opportunity on Ethereum. That would be pretty spicy. Worth preparing for, or worth planning for. There's no sign of that happening yet still. If it holds this area with Bitcoin 15k, then when we get the dollar dip, it'll go up further still. But yeah, I can't wait to see if it does break down there tomorrow, like any day now, and we actually do get that slam dunk. That would be pretty epic. It was never worth trying to trade this one to the upside there, but it would be at the right price. Yeah, so there's not too much active upside on the altcoins right now. They're going through a lot of that cool down, shakeout, just like the stocks. Checking them on the top of the watch list there. That's a perfect spot for it to be at. It's comfortable. I would give you songs the green light for accumulation. Really, there's nothing to be worried about on those ones. Unless somebody was like fucking all in leverage. VeChain's pretty low. So this could be the flash crash for VeChain itself, like this. Right after this, it's going insane. I'll give it the green light for accumulation, of course. I like it back here, I like it here too. But that will shake out tons of people, of course. Has been. It's way different, a shakeout right here versus an actual fucking crypto bear market, okay? We're talking about shakeouts, stop hunts, and entries for upside in the future, not fucking complete crashed bear market and it stays down for 2 more years or something. That's way different. That's what people are worried about who are selling it here. But we know the dollar's topped out in the bigger picture. The dollar's at insane levels. It's not gonna stay up here for 2 years. It's like impossible. At 120 levels on dollar. So we did see a lot of peak emotions in the stock market lately. Now it looks like we're getting that on all those altcoins, stuff like Tesla. We're gonna go into the peak, the climax of the emotions and the panic on stuff like Solana. And after they're all done, there's not gonna be any bearish ones. In that sense, like once these ones are complete, that's the full crash. Crypto's bullish altogether after that shit. Say Bitcoin hit 10K tomorrow, Solana hit $1 tomorrow. That's it. It crashes over. If that was next week, if that was next month, if that was 3 months from now. Like once Solana is down there, once Doge is down there. And then like, you know, we would suspect Tesla be with it. Tesla's way down there. That's it. There's no more market crash after that. And we're going into bull market. Essentially fucking everything. Because the dollar's gonna be coming down. Alright, so there are a lot of breakdowns and shakeouts going on crypto like that, but I'm just fishing around for those opportunities. It's nothing I don't like about it. It's actually because we're getting closer. Getting closer and closer, guys. Nano, 50 fucking cents. 50 cents, the lowest Nano been like 7 years. So meanwhile, while Doge is getting wrecked, getting annihilated there, Nano will likely just hold 50 cents. Litecoin holds $60. Dash hold $35, $30, whatever. Those ones should maintain pretty decent. So it's looking like worst case on these ones, they just go flat while Tesla's crashing. Bitcoin with the magic number. Okay, so I'm not trying to guess if it's gonna hit 15K. I already said I think it wouldn't like 2 weeks ago, and it never fucking did. And even if it does, it doesn't really matter. So that'll just be interesting to check it tomorrow. See if it's at. If it did 15K or not, shoot people out or not. It could develop into more flash crash after that, but there's no sign of that as of the moment. Lots of buying signals still, feeling brave about it. Because it's not necessarily about Bitcoin, it's how strong the bullish altcoins are holding. A lot of them crashed already last year. Dash was $500, now it's down at $35. Didn't. A lot of them just stayed up there. Nah, fuck Doge, say Binance. Binance stayed up at 300, 400, 500. after were really the more popular altcoins, the biggest market cap ones, the inflated ones, just like Tesla. It seems we may actually get that conclusion on these ones. They're that ugly. And then crypto crash is done after that. Is right around the corner. And meanwhile, like I was saying about Dash, just hold steady around this area so we're not worried about Dash going down to fucking $1 or something like that. Okay. Basically just the opposites once again. Just the opposites again of Litecoin. It was going down there last year, 2 years even. Seems it hit the limit, turning up, clearing the resistance, trying to pop off from undervalued levels, whereas Ethereum or Binance or Dogecoin, whatever, are still overvalued, looking really ugly, breaking down, getting annihilated. Complete opposites. That's what we're seeing in the stock market. Overvalued, undervalued puts, stuff like Tesla versus that move on metamaterials. There, I brought it full circle from how I started the show, because it's that same kind of divergence, the same opposite effect that we're seeing on stocks and crypto. The overvalued stocks and crypto are breaking down like that, getting annihilated. It's pretty extreme, it's pretty brutal. No wonder why there's lots of FUD going around. Meanwhile, the bullish ones turning up, recovering, popping off, breaking out. Alright, cool. We're gonna call it a day, but I'll be back tomorrow, same time, Power Hour Crypto Crunch. Thanks so much, all the kind words and support. Have an awesome day and take care. Stay excited about it, it's getting better and better. A lot of them just need a daily checkup. Things progress step by step. Good job, baby.